Day, sir. My name is Jinaika Robles Ineza, and I'm with my cousin, Elrich King Roble. So now I'm gonna ask him the three questions. Who is Jose Rizal?
Jose Rizal is the national Filipino in Philippines. He was a doctor, writer, poet, and patriot who fought in Filipino freedom using his word and ideas instead of weapons. Her full name is Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Yolanda. He is born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna. Died on December 30, 1896. He has two famous works, the No Limit Tangere and the El Filibusterismo.
Why he was shot to death?
Jose Rizal was shot to death because the Spanish government feared his writings and ideas, which exposed injustice and inspired Filipinos to seek freedom.
Why he is our national hero?
Jose Rizal is our national hero because his writings awakened Filipino nationalism, promoted peaceful reform, and he sacrificed his life for the country and became a symbol of courage and love for the Philippines. Thank you.